The concept of Kaizen, what is it? Well, Kaizen roughly means change for the better. And it's this terminology we use to refer to continuous improvement. Many people get caught up with Lean and Kaizen as being just small improvements that happen every day across the organisation. Yet in fact, there's currently a big buzz around the concept of making hundreds of quick and simple improvements every day by the people that operate their own processes. And whilst this is good, the problem is, when we implement daily improvements, we're typically looking at such a close-up siloed way that we can't often see the bigger picture. Sure, we can improve how we process our invoices or capture our inquiry, or even how we process that widget. But if we make a siloed change, we may be making it worse for other people further down in our processes. And worse still, we're not linking our continuous improvement efforts to the bigger picture. The real recipe for making lasting change with a big impact is to ensure that these small, daily improvements are linked to a shared goal or mission. You see, if we all work to the common goal, we can all contribute to small improvements towards that vision. For instance, if your business goal is to deliver your product next day to all customers, then by setting this as your overarching goal and making small daily improvements to help achieve this, you can get real traction and results across the business and in a more joined up way. Try these simple steps. Focus on what value you could offer your customers, which if provided would have them raving more about your business. Disseminate this goal to everyone in the business. Ensure everyone makes small daily improvements to their own processes and work environments in view of moving a tiny step closer to this goal. Track your results and celebrate each employee's achievements. Call us at TXM to find out how to implement a continuous improvement system in your business today. And thank you for watching this TXM Lean Minute.